how are you guys? Assalamu alaikum, ازيكم, عاملين ايه? So today we're going to be making slime. So all you need is some glue, and then you're gonna need some laundry detergent, okay? And then you're gonna need a spoon to mix the slime. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna add some glue into our bowl. Okay, after you add your glue, you're gonna put 1 spoon of laundry detergent. Now you're gonna mix the slime, and we will need to add more detergent, but you have to start out putting a little bit of detergent. Okay, now we're gonna add a little more. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little more. Okay, so now you can see the slime is almost ready. So now what you do is, when it looks like this, when you can pick it all up, what you're gonna do is you're going to put it on the table, and then you're gonna cover it like this, and you're gonna leave it here for 5 to 10 minutes. And I will come back in 5 or 10 minutes and show you the slime when it's ready. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes. Now we're gonna see if the slime is ready. 1, 2, 3. Wait. It's ready. Okay, so to know if your slime is ready, you need to put your finger in the slime, and if there's any glue on your hand, it's not ready. So it's ready. Wow. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have fun with your slime and enjoy playing with the slime. And don't forget to put your slime into a container and make sure that you cover your slime, because if you don't cover your slime, it will get really hard. So yeah. Anyways, bye guys. Have a good day.